I've got 2 tornadoes in my view right now. I'm getting... I am telling you, I am Johnny on the spot. Chopper 1. Ooh, ooh, the little one, the second one's coming down. It's coming down. Fixing to touch down. I think I'm going to get debris. Okay, it is, I believe it has touched. I'm waiting to see if there's a debris cloud. Oh, it got strong fast. I mean, it was a little skinny, scrawny thing, and now is it? It's going back up now. Okay, so you want me to go back to 281? If they'll let me. If they'll let me. Alright.